Happy Friday, my friends. My name is Jeff, and I'll be a spokesman for theboxmen.com, where we have changed the way that you should watch TV. And in this video, we're going to take a look at an oldie but goodie media device that is still producing today. So let's take a look. All right, my friends, thank you for tuning in into this hopefully short but demonstrative video. Again, my name is Jeff, and for the next 6 to 8 minutes, I will do my best to just breeze through a really great device or a video about a device that is still producing today. Thank you for being on the YouTube channel, or if you're seeing this on our Rumble channel, thank you. We are the Stream Machines, where we take the difficult things of streaming and help you one video at a time. Now, this device has been around. I've owned it, I'd say, 4 or 5 years now. And given the climate of where we are in streaming with the tariffs and 145%, getting media devices, you'll know that the top YouTube video creators aren't making anything about devices. That's because they're expensive to get. So sometimes you got to start using what you have to remember how good you had it. This device is called the Mecool Km2 Classic. This boy is one of my favorite devices that I've owned for almost 4 to 5 years. I'm going to go ahead and go to the Android settings here. And I want to go into it a little bit. I'm going to go to device preferences, and we're going to go to about. So you can see that it's a Leap-S1. It's a Leap S1. It's version 10. The patch level was back in February 5th, 2021. So this device is about a good 4 years, almost 5 years old, and it's still running very, very well. So I wanted to show this. Now, the best thing about it is that I personalized it so it looks a little bit different. It normally has a Google page or screen, and I put the Projective launcher on here that is a nice car. I mean, that is a nice car. So what I wanted to do was go over to this oldie but goodie. I mean, the box is only $79.99 from their website. With shipping, you might be looking at $85. Is it worth it? I believe it is. For the last 4 years, I've been using this device on and off, and it still runs very well, even being version 10. So one of the things about the Projective launcher is you can just have a clean homepage. You'll notice that my homepage is not cluttered with a bunch of BS. I don't have any ads. I don't have anything that I don't want on it. And having this type of, I would say, flexibility on an Android device, I think is paramount. So the Vistro player is their player that if you have your own live TV, you can run it. That's fine. It comes on it. I'm not going to show any of that. Of course, I have YouTube. I have a Local Now app that I really love because it gives me all my news. As I go down my booster apps, I have a side loader, a file manager. I definitely have Netflix, which I'm going to show you using my account how good it runs. I have Sling on here, Unlinked, and my VPN, which is really, really awesome. So what I want to do, even with the YouTube, I want to start right here. And I want to just get some 4K stuff so we can see if this 4-year-old box can still run a bit of the 4K. So let's go to search real fast. We're going to go here, and I'm going to go, let's go to numbers, boom, and I'm going to go 4, then I'm going to go to, okay, there's 4K right there. So we're going to go boom, and then I'm going to go K. Where's the K? Oh my gosh. And I'm going to go space. Let's go to 4K Hawaii. Just 3 hours of it. Let's take a look and see what it looks like in 4K and how it just runs very well. So this is 4K. And what I want to point out is that even though this is about 4 years old, It looks really good. I mean, I'm on a monitor, and of course, I'm capturing everything. You can see the waterfall in the back. That is really sweet. So a device this old on Android 10 is still running very, very well. Even though now we're in the artificial intelligence, we have devices that can run with that. But if you're on a budget and you're looking at a great device, this KM2 is not disappointing right now. I mean, because you're looking at this in 4K and you're looking at it, it's very clear, very concise. And you're going to have some people that are going to nitpick and go, oh my God, you did measure it. I don't need to measure everything. Look at it. This is better than a lot of folks' TV right now. It's clear, it's concise, and it's very smooth. It's not choppy whatsoever. So let me go back to the home page. Another thing I like about this is the flexibility. I mean, if you look at it, you can set this up any way that you'd like. You can set up profiles, accessibility. There's the launcher right there. If I wanted more information about the device, it's all right here. And I absolutely love that it gives me options. Of course, you have the Google Play Store. No Android device should be without a Google Play Store. Now, you have other Android devices like the Superbox X6 that's big on TikTok. I'm not going to go into the negative things on it, but it doesn't provide an actual Google Play Store, an official Google Play Store. What it provides is a makeshift Google Play Store, so you won't be able to find or download any other apps. This is the official Google Play Store that runs very, very well. And I like the Play Store because it gives you a lot of options to sideload and do what you want to do on your device, which is completely legal. Another thing I like about it, I'm going to show you how it runs on my Netflix account. I think this is big because there's a lot of different applications that you get to choose as a consumer. If you want to keep them, if you want to find something free, it's really up to you. So let me log into my Netflix account. You'll see my daughter is on my Netflix account, and I will choose the profile since I pay for this. And you can see still a 4-year-old KM2 Classic from Mecool. Looks really good. As I go down, we know what Netflix, maybe you know how it looks like, or maybe you've seen this. Many, many people love Netflix, and I can't blame them. Everything you're looking for can be found here, and if you're willing to spend $15 a month to have it, then get it. That's your choice. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and pick something, and we're going to take a look at it. So I'll pick Lucy right here. I love this movie. Okay, so we'll click on it. And then you can get more like this. So I'm going to click on play. And then what I'm going to do, it's going to play right away. I will stop it or block it or whatnot. But you see there's no choppiness. There's nothing about this whatsoever. And it runs really, really good. You're probably not going to see the picture even though I have an account on YouTube. I am going to blur this out because you never know what community guideline strikes are going to be around. And this is a paid account, a paid Netflix account, and I am going to blur it out all the way down. Now, a good thing about Netflix is it lets you resume. You can say you like this because I have an account. I would not be able to do that. If I did not have an account, I can come back and resume playing or play from the beginning. The best thing about this KM2, again, is it's priced correctly. It's very inexpensive in my opinion. I know it's not as inexpensive as the On 4K, but this device is better than the On 4K. On the On 4K, even though you know how to get rid of ads, if you don't have an ad blocker on an On 4K, I am going to tell you, you're going to get blasted with all kinds of ads. You need an ad blocker on every one of your devices, especially if they're very inexpensive. Mecool, no ads. None whatsoever. So the best thing I can say about this device, even after 4 years, it's still doing what it do. You know what I'm saying? It's still doing what it do. And so I'm going to go ahead and close out the video, but I have another video that I'll post towards the end about Projective. I mean, if you have a device that will allow you to put your own launcher on it, this is one of the best, if not the best, pardon me, the best launcher out there. And you could take a look at it. As I close out the video to begin this great weekend, I really appreciate everyone that has been on the channel, the subscribers that have subscribed. And in my next video, we're going to go through the secret weapon of a formula is how to back it up and how to restore. And I'm going to show you how to use that secret weapon so you can, keep everything you want on your device where you want it to be. All right. So thank you so much for tuning in. Share this video with people that you care about, and comment below if you use the Projective launcher and what you like about it. I'm going to close out now. Have a good weekend, and we'll see you in the next.